Fox 13 presents Healthier Together, sponsored by Regence Blue Shield.
Crisis Connections is a nonprofit organization based out of Seattle, but our services cover all over Washington State. We are a behavioral health and health and human services nonprofit organization. One of our programs is the 988 Crisis and Suicide Lifeline, and that line is an anonymous, confidential, supportive place for people to call who are experiencing some type of emotional distress. And so people define what that is. They could be calling because they are dealing with depression, isolation and loneliness. Maybe they're struggling with substance use. Maybe they're also calling because they're worried about a loved one or somebody in their life. It's a place to go that's anonymous, non-judgmental, and is focused on helping people navigate through whatever the crisis is. I think one of the things that can be difficult is, well, I'm not that bad. I wouldn't call a 988 counselor. You don't have to be that bad. It is a prevention model where sometimes having a trained, compassionate person just listen to you, that can prevent things from getting to the point where it is more serious and it is more disruptive to your life. The grant from Regence was huge for us, or to target supporting our workforce. The kind of work that the staff at Crisis Connections do, the frontline work of supporting the community when they're in crisis, that's exhausting work. It's heroic work. But we have an obligation as the employer for these crisis workers to make sure that we are supporting them. And that's exactly what we were able to do with the Regence Fund. The funding from Regence was able to be applied to provide self-care support for our staff. This is something where it has to be a trained, compassionate person that is doing this work and supporting the community. And so we also have to make sure we're supporting that workforce.